Hello, it's the Italian nutritionist here, and I'm wondering if you found this video because you are just as confused about olive oil as so many other people are. I think it's one of the most widely used ingredients in cooking. It seems that olive oil is everywhere. It's also everywhere in restaurants and wherever we go, used as a certain ingredient. But there's so much confusion about it, and there's so much confusion about the various brands, the various qualities, the various price points, the smoke point. I hear all of these questions with my clients every single day. And today I want to let you know that there really is a system for understanding olive oil and making the right decision, making an informed decision when buying and using olive oil. There are just a couple of words that you need to know. One is high polyphenol, because that's what gives olive oil its nutritional benefit. And the other is the harvest date of olive oil, because much of what we are buying in the stores is either old, tainted, has come from many olives from all over the world, which has lost their nutritional value, and it becomes just pure fat. And there are many nutrition wars around olive oil. Seems that it's even more popular than sugar these days. So I have a special treat for you today. I have some video that I would like to show you of the process for making real olive oil, real high quality olive oil. And I took this video footage myself when I was in Sardinia 2 years ago. And fortunately, I was there at harvest time and I was able to be a guest at an olive oil pressing facility. And you will see that real high quality olive oil comes from olives that come from one tree, and they are pressed within 8 hours of picking, and they're pressed, they're not mechanically ground, but they are pressed at a certain temperature and a certain pressure so that we can get olive oil that has not been denatured and has all the wonderful nutritional qualities of the oil of the olive, which is, by the way, a fruit. The olive is a stone fruit. So please enjoy the video that you're going to see taken right on location. You will notice that you will see that the olives are going in the beginning of the process, and then you will hear at the very end from one of the lead scientists that I traveled with at in the Blue Zone of Sardinia, explaining the olive oil process. I hope you enjoy it. I know you will. I have a whole course on olive oil and a checklist at the end of the course for what to take to the grocery store so that you can be informed when purchasing olive oil. So that's it. Thank you. I think you will enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel. I think you'll enjoy the information, and I would love for you to be a subscriber and to come with me on the whole health journey. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
picked, harvested from perfect trees, and the olives has to be sound. It has to be pressed as soon as you can. The machineries have to be washed carefully, and the temperature shouldn't overcome a certain threshold because you should press the olives at low temperature.